are going to study the same chapter, that is changes around us, part 4, in which we will study an object can show a same material of object can show reversible and irreversible changes. Let's take an example: folding of paper and cutting of paper. So how can we see that folding of paper or cutting of paper show reversible and irreversible changes? Let's take a sheet of paper and fold it to form a toy aeroplane. So we have to form a toy aeroplane by using a sheet of paper, folded it and then form a toy aeroplane. Now when we unfold this toy aeroplane, we will get exactly the same sheet of paper. So the folding of paper is a reversible change. In other words, the change which occurs during the folding paper can be reversed. So I can say, even if you fold the paper, you will get back into the original shape and size. So this is a reversible change. You can see in this picture, a man is folding paper and he will get again back to the original shape and size of the paper. So this is a reversible change. So folding of paper is a reversible change. Now let's take another example how paper can show irreversible. By cutting a paper is a irreversible change. The cutting of paper is an irreversible change. Take a sheet of paper and cut the sheet of paper into the small pieces with the help of scissors. Now we cannot combine the various pieces of paper to get back exactly the original sheet. So once you cut the paper, you will not get the original sheet of paper. So this is example of irreversible changes. So the cutting of paper is an irreversible change, or the change which occurs during the cutting of paper cannot be reversed. So you can see in the picture a man using scissors to cut the paper, and the paper will not get back into the original shape and size. So this is an example of irreversible changes. So let's take another example. So have you ever seen a dog that is called Atta? So let's take some dog and make it a ball of it. So you have to make a ball of dog. आटे का ball बनाइए. Roll this ball of dog into circular roti by using a rolling pin or balance. Now we can convert it into back in a rolled form. So you can convert back the rolling roti. आप जो rolling roti होगी या फिर rolled roti होगी, you can convert back. So once you will get back into the same original shape and size. This means that rolling of roti out of dog is a change which can be reversed. So this is example of rolling of roti is a reversible change. Now we take the same material, that is roti, आटा dog बोल सकते हो, you can say. So rolling of roti is a reversible change, I can say. But once you can see in the picture that a man is making a roti. So it is example of reversible change. Now you can take example, baking of roti is a irreversible change. How? Now let's take bake the rolled out roti on a tawa kept on a stove. So you have to keep it on a stove. We will get the baked roti. Now the baked roti cannot be changed back into the original ball of dough. So the baking of roti is a change which cannot be reversed. So baking of roti is an irreversible change. I hope so. आपको समझ में आया होगा. Thank you for today. We will continue tomorrow.